Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, Step Into a New Day Life Coaching. And today I thought I would just take you along with me and do just a vlog style video. And it's actually going to be split up into 2 days. I'm actually starting at around almost 2 o'clock on day 1, and then I will continue on and go into day 2 because I'd really like to share a special recipe with you that I am making right now. And so for those of you that do not know me, my name is Brandis, and I was a high school Spanish teacher turned stay-at-home mom turned certified professional Christian life coach, and I love helping mothers feel good in their homes, minds, bodies, and spirits and live God's best for their lives. And so I'm just going to carry on here, and I'm going to share with you this recipe that I'm doing today and check in with you between today and tomorrow. All right, you guys, so I wanted to share this recipe with you. They are scrumptious pumpkin muffins, and I have been really into this book called The Brains Warrior's Way Cookbook. And so normally, and especially this is what I'm doing right now in the fall, is I'm really trying to cut down on my sugar intake, on dairy specifically as well, and just the mindless eating. The mindless eating that sometimes for me personally takes place after lunch. Like it's almost like a mechanism to not get into the next thing that I need to do. And so I'm just going to sit there and I'm going to continue to munch after lunch. So what I have been doing that has been nice, if I do have an hour of time from, a little bit after lunch until before the kids get home, I will go ahead and I will start cooking a recipe from this cookbook. And it's just something to look forward to. And it is a nice treat that I get to have with tea, which I've been trying to have tea daily as well, just as more of a ritual. So I'm not munching. I'm really making it more intentional. So let's go ahead and make these pumpkin muffins. All right, so starting right now, I have some pumpkin, about a cup of pumpkin, 1/4 of the coconut cream, which I just used from coconut milk. I put it in the refrigerator and it kind of mixes together and gets more of like a whipped creamy consistency. And then 2 tablespoons of the maple syrup, and I used the organic pure pumpkin. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this together. All right, I forgot I needed to add 6 eggs. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix these 6 eggs with. All right, so I got the dry mixture together, okay? And so I have some coconut flour, and this is what I use. And I also have this erythritol, which again is a sugar substitute, low glycemic index sweetener. And it hasn't been that bad. I have been enjoying it. And what else did I put in there? We did some baking soda, and then we also did some pumpkin pie spice and a little bit of salt. So I'm going to go ahead and mix together the dry ingredients. All right, so that wasn't too hard. The recipe was not hard at all. I ended up cooking it for 35 minutes. And this is the second time that I've made them. And last time I put in the whole can of pumpkin, which I think was too much. They only asked for a cup. So I think this is gonna be different. And so I wanna give this a taste, if I can get this out. And it's good, I sprayed them. So let's give it a taste. And they're very good, and they're very, very moist. So it definitely tastes different than how I made them last time, because you can taste more of the sweetness. I think last time I tasted a lot more of the pumpkin, and the consistency is a lot softer. So I'm gonna enjoy this with my tea before the kids come home, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and check in with you tomorrow and finish off the vlog, because the main reason why I'm filming today is because I wanted to share with you these pumpkin muffins and just, I guess, encourage you too. If I just feel so much better when I don't have a lot of sugar and dairy. My body works better when maybe I have dairy and sugar like, once a week or something like that, as far as like, a lot of dairy. So I'm encouraging you that there's different ways to make things and do things, and it still tastes really good. Hey, you guys, so it is the next morning and just got up. My daughter has to go to chorus, so she has an earlier morning, so got her fed, and she had some French toast, and my son already ate. And so right now I'm gonna go ahead and get my green smoothie together and get them to the bus stop, and then I'm gonna put together a crock pot meal that will serve us today before I move forward with my day. My plan today is definitely to get my nails done because they have fallen off, and just to take some time for myself today. It was a really busy week with my daughter's birthday and then a friend birthday and things like that. And I don't know, as a mom, you know how that is, like all the birthday stuff. So I think today I like to take, at least one day a week where I can just kind of just savor some time for myself. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that today, and let's see where that brings us. All right, so I have my shake going here, and I've been adding turmeric lately to it, and you cannot even taste it. There's just so many good health benefits and properties with turmeric. And so I've got that going. I basically have my water, my apples, my protein powder, cucumbers, cilantro, a little bit of lemon juice, and then I have spinach and arugula. And I'm gonna blend this up and get this ready to go for the morning. All right, so right now I am doing a journal that I have, and we have kitty sounds in the background because of Estella's birthday card. But yeah, Stella just went off to chorus, so I'm doing this journal, and I'm gonna show you it here. Okay, so this is what I'm doing right now, a prayer journal for women by Shannon Roberts. And it's really cool, and it has inspired me to actually submit my own journal to the same publishing company that published this. So it basically, if I flip it here, it starts off with a Bible verse, and then there is a reflection page, and then it just kind of opens it up to things you can thank the Lord for, what you can teach me, guide me. It has a Bible verse on top, things on my heart, highlights, and prayer requests. And then it goes into the next one. Right, so I just got my recipe together for the crock pot. It is a coconut curry. So I'm gonna do actually some rice, and I will do that separate, or I might add it into it at the end. But there's bell pepper, carrots, curry paste. I have red curry paste, coconut milk. We've got some chicken broth. I have cilantro in there. Oop, I forgot the soy sauce. I'm gonna have to put that in there real quickly. And I have gluten-free soy sauce. I put in some bamboo shoots. I also put in some watercress. I have some chicken in there, and then I did some honey. And so I'm gonna go ahead and get this going on low for about 8 hours, and this will be dinner. And now we're gonna take Bryson to the bus stop. All right, I just threw on my joggers here. I still have my slippers on, and I have a jean jacket and just a shirt, which is sleeveless, so this will be able to cover it. And now we're gonna go to the bus stop. All right, so just got back from the bus stop, and so sweet. My neighbors they're new neighbors across the street, and they just gave us some pears. So they're so nice. So I'll show you. All right, so I am going to head out and get my nails done because they have what, 3 of them that fell off, 1 that's completely coming. I normally get the dip, which it goes into like a powder and it's organic, and this will last me for close to a month. That's why I like the dip so much. There's definitely outgrowth and everything that happens, but you know, washing dishes, all these things, I can do all these things within a month and I still have my nails. So I'm very happy about that. So today I'm just, you know, and want to encourage you to, I have no coaching today. And ideally, in my ideal schedule, as I continue to grow my business, I would love to, you know, coach Monday, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and have Thursdays and Fridays more for home things and family things, because I still just absolutely adore and love taking care of my home, and, you know, get excited about decorating for the holidays, and you know, all of that. If you're a mom, all of those things are a job within itself, and cooking and meal planning and grocery shopping. So to really be able to kind of compartmentalize is good. But today is just time for me. So I'm getting my nails done. I'll probably grab some lunch, maybe go to some thrift shop. So let's see where we go. All right, so it's about 11:32 and I just got out and I got my eyebrows done and got lip done as well. And then my nails are like a purple glittery, and then I have a little pumpkin. I don't know if you can see that. Just a little pumpkin is there, and I got it on both my ring fingers. I got it on the other finger as well. So yeah, this is fun. I think it's a fun fall color for fall, obviously. And the pumpkin's cute. My lady convinced me to go ahead and get the sticker, so it's really cute. Maybe I would get something bigger next time, but I'm excited to maybe try some things for the holidays, for Christmas. I think that'd be really cool. All right, so it is about 12 o'clock and I am just getting lunch. So I went to a place called Naf Naf Grill. I don't know if they have that by you, but basically I have chicken shawarma. There's some hummus and some rice underneath here, and I have some like vegetables and this salsa and some cabbage. And then I also got 2 falafel, and they are gluten-free, and I got an iced tea, and I am just going to enjoy my lunch. All right, so I think my last stop of the day is going to be at a resale shop. It's just always something that fills my soul. If I find a little treasure, that's exciting. If I don't, I still just enjoy the experience, and I like going in and seeing things. And so this place is called Sweet Charity Resale Shop. It's by me. Well, I am home, and I did not end up getting anything from that thrift shop. There was just nothing there that really caught my eye, but it was really cool to see that book that I remember I'd go to Barnes & Noble every day when I was in Bloomington Normal, and I was at ISU, and I was working at KinderCare at that time, and during my lunch break, I had like an hour lunch break, and I would take that book the first days of school, and I'd go to Barnes & Noble and I would just sit on the couch and I would read. Like, I'd eat my lunch and then I would do that. So that was really cool to see. And basically right now we're kind of back where we started yesterday when I started this vlog. I'm gonna have my snack. I just have some tea, and I have a little chocolate muffin that it's like one of those veggie delight muffins. And I'm gonna have that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and pick up Estella from school and her 2 friends and drop them off. And I think I will just call it a vlog here. Thank you so much for joining me and being with me today and just kind of sharing this day with me. And these are just fun to do and take you with me whenever I can. And I will see you in my next video. Take care, you guys. Bye.